Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the Mundus Pro from Einova. And what's cool about this is you've probably seen individual charging tops. This has two. You've probably seen individual disinfecting on the inside boxes. This has two. And you get quad lights right here. There's quad lights and two levels for phones or other devices you want to put in here. But what you can do with this is clean two phones, takes about 6 minutes, 5.5, 6 minutes. You can charge two things wirelessly on top, and then on the back, you have a quick charging USB-A port, so you can plug in another device right there. So you can have 3 devices charging at once, and they give you a wall charger that's not too big. It's over 60 watts right there. And then this is the cable right there that goes into the wall, so you won't have a big honking thing connected to the wall. It's just this, so that's nice. We like the packaging a lot, and we like that they have multiple charging stations. You can do pretty much all of your own personal devices all at once and disinfect on the inside. So this is the Mundus Pro from Einova. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.